Hello, good morning students. Today we discuss about derivation of velocity time relation by graphical method. Velocity time relation ਨੂੰ discuss ਕਰਾਂਗੇ with the help of graphical method. And for that the velocity time graph for uniformly accelerated motion along a straight line as shown. Here you can see that is a straight line, that is the time and velocity, time along x-axis and velocity along y-axis. It increases along y-axis, that is velocity, and time increases along x-axis. The graph is a straight line where point A corresponds to initial velocity u. From here, that is the starting point, and that at that point the initial velocity u at time t, time start where that is t, and time t is equal to 0, at that point is 0, and point B corresponds to final velocity. Point B is the final velocity and it is represented by V. It is represented by V at time t. ਇੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ t ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ. Draw perpendicular lines BC and BD. Draw perpendicular lines BC and BD. Draw perpendicular AG. Now it is clear that BC is the total velocity. BC is the total velocity. AO या OA is the initial velocity. OA and GC both are equal. AO and GC are equal, that is initial velocity and represented by u. So AO equal to GC equal to u हो गया. Then BC equal to total BC velocity equal to BG plus GC. पॉइंट क्लियर हो रहा है? That BC equal to BG plus GC, and BC has total value, that is V. BC has total value, that is V, equal to BG we want to find, plus BG that is we want to find, plus GC equal to u, and from that we have a relation V equal to BG plus u, and again BG equal to u अदर साइड जाएगा, इट बिकम्स नेगेटिव, V माइनस u हो जाएगा, फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी. नेक्स्ट, अकॉर्डिंग टू ग्राफ यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन equal to velocity change over time. We learn it. Velocity over time, that is change in velocity over time, is called acceleration. And here change in velocity हो रही है बच्चे साडे कोल. देखो अगेन चेंज तो आही हो रहा ना, इत्थे तो इनिशियल ही चेंज, दैट इज BG ओवर टाइम अगेन कितना AG, टाइम कितना AG. पॉइंट क्लियर हो जाएगा, BG ओवर AG. और BG AG देखना, AG इक्वल टू कि हो सकता है OC दे भी इक्वल हो सकता है, बिकॉज जिनी डिस्टेंस यदी है इन्ना टाइम यदा वा उन्ना ही टाइम साढ़े को OC का. दैन BG ओवर OC और A इक्वल टू वेलोसिटी चेंज BG, we find the value BG equal to V minus u over OC, that is time t. Or from there if we cross multiply, AT equal to V minus u, or from there V equal to u on other side becomes positive, u plus AT. That is the relationship of velocity time with graphical representation. ठीक है जी, V final velocity, U initial velocity, A acceleration and T time. First relation साडा clear हो गया. And second relation, one thing remember, that diagram is necessary, and you draw 2 or 3 times this diagram, then next derivation easily cleared हो जाएगा. First one है, next derivation है derivation of position time relation. Suppose an object cover a distance s during a time interval t. कोई ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है एस एंड टाइम इंटरवल दैट इज टी है. देन डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड एस इक्वल टू total distance traveled equal to area OABGC. OABGC. From here note करना OABGC, that is the total distance traveled. We start from O, A, B, G, C. With the help of diagram बच्चे फिर ही clear होएगा. Clear है? And in this area there are two parts. First one, that is the rectangle. That is OAGC. That is a rectangle. And second one, that is the triangle. Area of triangle both we cover, and we know that area of rectangle equal to OA into OC. लेंथ इंटू ब्रेड्थ हो जाएगी, प्लस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल हाफ AG इंटू GB, base into perpendicular. Area of triangle equal to half AG into GB. Now all the points clear हो जाएंगे. Next OA, यदि एक साइड आ गई OA and OC. Second यदि आ गया सी क्या half AG into GB. All the values we filled in this equation. You take the diagram also. Here OA equal to that is U into OC is the time T plus half AG is again equal time into GB equal to 80. GB equal to 80. Then from there we can derive S equal to UT plus half AT square. That is the relation of position time relation. ठीक है जी, इतों तक पॉइंट बच्चे सारे क्लियर हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. Next we start with third derivation, that is again derivation of position velocity relation by graphical method. मैं पहले PDF बच्चे सेंड की हुई है. मेरे को पेज दोबारा पलटिया नहीं जा रहा. कोशिश करनी है कि डायग्राम अपनी तुसी अगेन ड्रा करके कोल रखनी है. डायग्राम में देखोगे सारे पॉइंट्स क्लीयर हो जाएंगे. पोजीशन वेलोसिटी रिलेशनशिप है डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल दैट इज़ S इक्वल टू असी हुणे रीड किया OABGC. सारा एरिया आ गया. एंड OABGC इज़ ट्रेपेजियम एंड एरिया इज़ OA plus BC over 2 into OC. From there, S equal to OA again U ही plus BC had equal again V ही over 2 into OC time ही, that is T. But we studied that AT equal to V minus U, and from that time equal to V minus U over A. Now on substituting the value of t the value ਨੂੰ substitute ਕਰਾਂਗੇ in equation, in equation 1, and we get s equal to u plus v over 2 into t ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ v minus u over a, and from there v square माइनस u स्केयर ओवर 2a, और सिंप्लीफाई करिए तो v स्केयर माइनस u स्केयर इक्वल टू 2as. दैट इज़ द रिलेशन between position velocity with the graphical method. 3 derivation ने, 3 important relation ने, ये ਤਿੰਨੇ ਦੇ ਤਿੰਨੇ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਡੈਰੀਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਅਸੀਂ ਫਿਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਨੋਟਬੁੱਕ ਹੈਗੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਨੋਟ ਕਰਨੇ ਨੇ. ਨਾਓ ਵੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਵਨ ਨਿਊਮੈਰੀਕਲ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਐਂਡ ਦੈਟ ਨਿਊਮੈਰੀਕਲ ਇਜ਼ ਏ ਰੇਸਿੰਗ ਕਾਰ ਐਟ ਰੈਸਟ accelerate uniformly to a velocity of 144 km per hour in 20 seconds. Find the value of acceleration. Second, find the distance covered by car during this time. Two things we must note. First one, every numerical solve with the first one we find the given values. Initial velocity u, that is equal to 0. initial ਜਦੋਂ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਈ, u always equal to 0, and time 20 second, and final velocity ਉਹਨੇ ਜਿੰਨੀ distance cover velocity with the time change ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ, that is 144 km per hour. But one thing remember here, kilometer hour converted into meter per second, it is multiplied with 5 over 18. सिंपल है, किलोमीटर ਨੂੰ कन्वर्ट करना किलोमीटर पर आवर ਨੂੰ मीटर पर सेकंड च, then it is multiplied with 5 over 18, and we get 40 meter per second. And first relation is our velocity time relation, v equal to u plus at. You have velocity 40, initial 0, a into 20. We find the value of a. 20 a equal to 40, or a equal to 40 over 2 equal to 2 meter per second square. That is the acceleration. First point clear हो गया. And second, the total distance covered by car. Total distance relationship लगेगा s equal to ut plus half at square. U again 0, time that is 20, half, acceleration is 2, and time 20 the square. आ वैल्यू तो 0 हो जाएगी, प्लस आ 2 ਦੇ ਨਾਲ 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 400, that is 400 meter. Total distance covered by that car is 400 meter. ठीक है जी बच्चे, इन्ना काम कर लियो. एनी डाउट होएगा तो ये वीडियो ਨੂੰ 2 और 3 टाइम देखना, सारे पॉइंट्स क्लीयर हो जाएंगे. थैंक यू.